No matter how pristine the road appears, dirt is inevitable. Every journey, whether on a freshly swept boulevard or a quiet suburban lane, brings with it the subtle accumulation of dust, grit, and the remnants of countless footsteps and tire treads. The world outside is alive with motion. Wind carries particles from distant fields, rain splashes muddy water across once clear surfaces, and the daily ebb and flow of people and vehicles stirs up debris that settles where we least expect it. Yet, there's a deeper truth beneath this simple reality. Perfection is an illusion, especially in the ever-changing environment around us. Clean roads, much like our own aspirations for flawlessness, will always encounter the unpredictable elements of life. It's a reminder that we can strive for order, but we must also accept the messiness that comes with living. But perhaps there's beauty in this inevitability. The traces of dirt on a once clean road tell stories of journeys taken, of weathered days, of the quiet persistence of nature reclaiming its space. They remind us that life is dynamic and that every mark is a testament to movement and change. So, as we travel down roads that can never remain spotless for long, we learn to appreciate the fleeting moments of clarity while embracing the imperfections that make each path unique. Instead of seeking to avoid every speck of dirt, we can focus on the journey itself, finding value not in unblemished surfaces, but in the experiences and memories collected along the way. In the end, it's not the pristine road that shapes us, but the travels and even the dust we gather as we go. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.